Good morning, student. Today we start our new lesson, angles. Correct? In a previous lesson, we took the information about the basic concept in geometry. In that one, we saw what is mean by point, then line, line segment, ray, collinear point, non-collinear points, congruent line, non-congruent line, plane, parallel line, intersecting line. About this already we took the information. Then with the help of that one, the sum point, we will see our next lesson, angles. Okay, then the first question, this one arise in your mind, what is mean by angle? What is mean by angle? Correct na? Then see, the space between the space between two intersecting line. Okay, means the space between intersecting line, it is said to be the angle. All of you know intersecting line, correct? Means see here, where two lines, this one the join, it is said to be the intersecting point. This B is a intersecting point. Here this one the AB and CB, this both line, this one joined, means this line intersect to each other. Means in Marathi we are saying chedane, means the space between intersecting line. Then in both the line, which one the space is there, which one the space is there, means this one the space in between this line, it is said to be the angle. It is said to be the angle. All of you understood what is mean by the angle? The space between intersecting line. Space between intersecting line, it is said to be the angle. It is said to be the angle. Now see, this is the angle. How can we read this one the angle? See, this one the angle means which one the intersecting point is there, should be come in a middle. Which one the letter is there, means this one the B letter should be come in a middle. Okay, 3 points are there. See, means we read this one the angle, angle A B C, angle A B C. And another way, how can we read? Angle C B A. Another way, how can we read? C B A. All of you understood? And again, how can we write this one? The angle A B C. Correct. Again we have to give the this one name CBA. Again we have to write this one name. Correct. Now for avoid such a things, we are using the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle. Understood? We have to put this one the symbol and write the name. Angle A B C, and another way we write angle C B A. All of you understood? This is the, which one the intersecting point is there, this one come in a middle. All of you understood? Okay, now we will see the next point. This is the edges. What? Edges. It is said to be the arms. It is said to be the arms, or the another one word we are using for that one, side. It is said to be the side. Edges, arms or side. Then all of you know about the side, correct now? Then how many side this one angle having? Yes, very good. Two sides are there. Which one? Side AB and side BC. Okay, means here we have to write side, or it is said to be the segment. Okay, segment AB and segment BC. Okay, this is said to be the edges or arms of the angle. It is said to be the arms or edges of the angle. Understood? Then the next concept is vertex. Vertex of angle, or it is said to be the vertices. Vertex of angle. Vertex of angle. Vertex of angle means what? Where intersecting point. Intersecting point of angle. Okay, intersecting points of angle. It is said to be the vertex. It is said to be the vertex. Understood? Means here which one the intersecting point? B. Means which one the vertex of the given angle? B. Correct. Means here point B, this is the vertex of angle. Point B, this is the vertex of angle. Understood? Point B, this is the vertex of angle. Now see student, means in your book this one chart is there. Okay, here see the name of angle. Now anybody tell me what is the name of that one angle? Yes, PYR. Very good. And another way, how can we read this same angle? RYP. Very good. Then next angle, how can we read? LMN or NML. Very good. Now tell me the vertex of that one, the angle. Vertex means what? Intersecting point, or where the two lines meet with each other. Where the two lines join each other, it is said to be the vertex. Then here vertex Y. Very good. And arms of the angle? Yes, PY and YR. Very good. All of you understood what is mean by the angle? Then how we have to give the name of angle or write the name of angle. Then what is mean by the vertex? What is mean by the arms of the angle? All of you understood? Okay. Now tell me student, which one the three types of the angles are there? Which one you learn? Yes, which one the three type you learn? Very good. Which one? Acute angle, then right angle, and third one is a obtuse angle. Very good. Which one the three angle already you learn? One, acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Correct. What is mean by the acute angle? Yes, an angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Correct na? The angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, it is said to be the acute angle. And right angle means the angle of 90 degree, it is said to be the right angle. And the obtuse angle means the angle means greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Is called obtuse angle. And then in this lesson more angles are also there. Means except that one the three angles, means more angles are there. About that one we will see the, means take the information in next lecture. Okay. Then for you, see, you have to draw this one chart in your notebook and write this one answer. This one your today's homework. All of you understood? Thank you.